And now I'd like to ask for a brief introduction from both sides to help you know each other. Then you can talk about the product inquiry from Brain. Thank you.
Yes, so we manufacture an absorbent powder that's used in the drilling industry, and one of our key ingredients is the sodium polyacrylate, and so we're looking for a consistent supply. It's a little bit different what we're looking for. We're looking for the second grade material that would normally be not for personal hygiene products, etc. So because we're using this for like a, as I say, it's like a drilling slurry, like a mud, and then we have to turn it into a solid. So it's very commonly used in North America for solidification process. So as I say, not every company has this second grade material, but we would like to purchase all that's available. So it would be considered what they call off-spec material.
Yeah, it is very nice to meet with you, Brian. Just now, by your introduction, as if you are used the absorbent in the industrial field.
Yes.
So you need the second grade powder.
Yes. Sodium polyacrylate. Yeah. It's called super absorbent polymer, SAP.
Yeah. Your usage is mainly focused on the cooling system.
Sorry, say that again.
I want to know whether your usage is focusing on the cooling system.
Coating system?
Cooling system.
I'm not sure. Coating or quarry? Not really sure what the word is you're saying. Can you type it in the chat?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. We'll type in your message, okay.
Hi, Brain, can you find the chat?
I'm in the chat now. I don't seem to see the
Yeah, he typed it for the cooling to decrease the temperature.
Oh, the temperature that it's used in. So the temperature would oh, here we go. Okay. No, not to decrease the temperature. It's used for making the slurry solid. So it turns it into it goes from a wet, moist slurry to a solid material.
Hi, Brain. Maybe the signal is some problem. You are not moved.
Oh.
Are you still speaking?
Can you see me move?
Okay. It's okay now.
Okay. Yeah, so we're looking for the to make the liquid slurry or mud, the drilling mud, turn into a almost like earth, like more solid. So if you squeezed it, no more water would come out of it.
Oh yeah. You want make a material by the As a sodium polyacrylate to be a
Yes.
absorbent, but this absorbent
Exactly.
cannot be drilled out of water.
That's correct. Yes. So we're using it as an absorbent. Yes, for a water absorbent.
Yeah. So may I know your demanding quantity?
So we'd be looking at approximately about I don't think one company would have it, but we've been sourcing everywhere. Probably about 2 to 3 million pounds a year. So it would be like 1,500,000 kilograms.
1 million kilogram per year.
Yeah,
And
1,500,000 kilograms.
kilogram.
You see the second grade the second grade sodium polyacrylate is as I say, it's not the main product they make. Usually they make it for personal hygiene products, like baby diapers and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So, or for, when you get meat and you have a pad under it, it absorbs the moisture. So that's what it's primarily used for.
But you need the second grade step. So not the standard one.
Exactly. Yeah.
So what about the molecular weight? It's
The molecular weight?
Yes, MW.
Yes. So we're looking for as high a quality as possible. So the higher the molecular weight, the better.
The higher better is about 10,000.
Yes, that would be ideal. Sometimes some of the material is it comes from different sources. Sometimes during the manufacturing, they as a second grade product, they might be like a fine powder that is not usable as first grade. It can also be material that during manufacturing, the pieces, the granules, like the size of the granule is too large, and that's another one. Or they manage to, the color is not white; it turns to be a like a brown or a burnt color, I guess.
Yes. Currently, our standard SAP is white powder.
Is one color, yes.
Yeah,
It's supposed to be one color, but when in the manufacturing, if they make a mistake, then they can't sell it as pure material. So we're looking for that too.
What kind of color do you want?
We don't need it colored, but if by accident they make it off grade, then we'll purchase that too.
Okay, yeah. Do you have the particle size requirement?
So any particle size would be fine, from fine powder to sometimes it's rare, but they make a mistake. It almost looks like popcorn. Corn that's popped.
Yeah, popcorn. Yeah,
Popcorn. Yeah.
And do you have the demand on its pH?
The pH?
Yeah.
The pH normally of SAP is neutral, like maybe 7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay.
normally when they're making it for you know, it might be in for human products. So the pH is never too high or too low.
Yes, yes. Currently, we can control the pH from the 5 to 7.5.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Do you have the requirement on the salt water absorption index?
No, that's not important. We won't be putting it. Salt water interferes with SAP absorption, so yeah, we don't usually involve it. We use a different formulation for salt water.
Yeah. About the absorption amount under the pressure, do you have such demand?
No, it won't be under pressure. No.
Only under pressure. Yeah. Another important specification is the maintenance during centrifuge.
No, it won't be it won't be going through a centrifuge. No.
About the,
Yeah, that's a different kind of polymer. That's more of a flocculant, they call it.
flu blood or the flu index.
The which, sorry?
Yeah. N means the absorption index for the purified water.
Oh, yes, yes. So preferably, if it can be like 350, that would be great.
350. No, I will define the purified water absorption by the gram.
Yeah, I'm not understanding that one. Yeah, oh, I see. Oh, grams per gram. Okay. So in yeah, basically it varies really with what product that they have available. So the highest absorption available would be ideal.
Yes. Currently, we can reach the 500.
Okay.
Anyway, may I have your demand is about one.
The amount, yeah. Oh yeah, with your purified water, yeah, 350 or plus. Yes, the 1,500,000 kilograms. Yeah. Let me check all the zeros there. 1, 2, 3.
1 0 is more.
Yeah. So 1,500,000. I think we got too many zeros in there. I'm not. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think you got 15 million.
Yeah. 1,500,000.
That's correct. Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Okay. We will offer the quotation to you. Maybe trust you will prefer the price by the CIF.
Oh, for shipping, yes. So we would, yeah, for shipping, it depends. I found sometimes you can get a better deal through. So the shipping port would be to Toronto, Ontario. Actually, it would probably come to Vancouver, and then it would come by rail to us.
Yeah. Which?
So Vancouver, Canada.
Okay. We will offer the formal quotation by email to you, Brian.
Yes, please. Yes.
May I have your email address?
Yes, I'll give that to you.
Nice.
I'll also give you, just so it gives you a better idea what we do.
Yeah.
I'll send you our subsidiary that manufactures this. I'll give you the web address for it, so you can look at it. Solid.
Okay. We will send quotation to you by email.
Okay.
If you have any question to us now.
So this company, they are a manufacturer, right? Like they manufacture SAP? So the other question I had is, do you provide, because this product, like we found that one company is quantity, so we've been purchasing from a number of manufacturers to meet our demands, and we've been growing quite fast. So we need to get a number of companies that are actual manufacturers. A lot of people are just trading components, so we need to find the actual manufacturer to get the low price, because we use very large quantities. So does your company provide more services for finding other manufacturers?
Yes. In China, we offer such product for some food company.
Okay.
The
Okay.
biggest one is the making the juice, fruit juice,
I see. Oh, I see. Okay.
and some noodle, convenience
I
noodle.
see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, I guess that's the questions we have. So really, I guess what their annual production abilities would be.
Yeah, our annual production is the 2 million.
2 million. That's their total production for SAP in total, or the second
No,
grade.
Our 2 million output is for the polyform material.
Okay. 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 So yeah. So no, we'll look forward to the quotation, and yeah, and we'll take it from there. But also, yeah, for the shipping, sometimes you can get a better deal when it's yourself that arranges the shipping versus us getting the shipping. So if you can also look at a quotation that's for like, I guess, freight on board, and also for shipped to us directly. Did that come through? Were you able to hear me?
Yes, we can, yeah. FOB is your favorable?
I'm sorry?
I don't know whether the FOB quotation is the favorite one for you.
Yeah, so freight on board, and also for I guess it's CIF. So for the by bulk boat would be, we like to get it in what they call super sacks, or like those 1,500 kilogram bags.
A bag, yeah.
Yeah,
Flexible bag.
yeah. We prefer the bulk boat, yeah. Yeah, usually you can fit in a 40-foot container. It's mostly by weight. So we would get it shipped by container. Yes.
Fine. Okay. I will ask our project manager to offer a complete quotation to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have other question?
No, I think that's everything. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, it is next to see your face. Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nice to meet you. So Gloria, is there?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Maybe where you can introduce yourself.
Okay. So hi, Jane. How are you?
Hello. Thank you.
So what we're looking for is a second grade SAP, or sodium polyacrylate. We use it in the drilling industry. I'll give you actually our website for this particular company, and then you can, if you want, look up online to give a better idea what we do. Oh, hang on.
主持人可以帮忙翻译一下吗？
他为了让你更好理解，他把他想要的东西打在评论那个聊天区了，你可以看一下。
好。
他现在是发一下他们公司的官网。
So this is a subsidiary of our main company, but so this is used in the drilling industry. So it's used for absorbing water, the SAP. So I see your water treatment. So yeah, because sodium SAP is used for a variety of purposes. It can be used for as a flocculant to separate the water from the slurry. But our purpose is a little bit different. So we're looking for SAP that can absorb water and help to solidify this drilling mud, this drilling for like for drilling for oil or drilling for different soils and things like that. So I'm not sure if your product is like that. So you manufacture SAP?
主持人可以翻译一下吗？
他这边跟你再确认，就是你们这边是不是工厂？你可以介绍一下你们的情况。
你说我现在需要共享屏幕。我现在可以共享屏幕吗？
对，你可以共享屏幕。Hi, Brian. They will share their screen to introduce themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
能看到吗，主持人
Okay. Yeah, 可以看到，你可以开始。
？Hello everyone, we are Shandong Keyu Water Treatment Company Limited. I'm honored to participate in today's meeting with you. I briefly introduce our company. The first picture on this is the appearance of our company, and the second picture is a picture of some equipment inside our factory. Our company was founded in 2002, so far has 21 years of industry experience. The factory is located in Zibo Chemical Industrial Zone, which is one of the earliest national chemical industrial parks in China, covering an area of nearly 20,000 square meters. This is a panoramic view of our factory. We have the right to import and export goods on our own. These are some of the patent certificates we have obtained. We have independent research and development capabilities, research and development team of more than 50 people, with independent research and development of more than 10 patents.
Okay.
We have a set of circulating water dynamic simulation tester and a set of reverse osmosis pure water dynamic simulation tester. In addition to perfect experimental testing instruments and a group of water engineers engaged in water treatment practice for many years.
Okay. Well, that's very impressive. Now, do you sell the SAP in powder form, like granules?
主持人可以帮忙翻译一下吗？主持人那边有声音，您那边没有声音。
这边就是买家想跟你们确认有没有在做你这边是那个屏幕共享已经结束了是吗？
还没有结束。
他这边是他们觉得你这个就是介绍你们公司，他的印象比较深刻，然后想问一下你们有没有在做这个 SAP 的出口？
我们有自主的进出口权限在做。
Hi, Brain. They have exported the SAP for a long time.
Okay, for some time, yeah.
And they will continue to introduce their company. And if you feel that you have introduced their company for a long time, or you want to talk more products with them, want to continue to listen their company introduction?
Yes. Yeah. Continue with the introduction. Yes, please.
OK OK，
继续公
这
司介绍。
边可以继续介绍你们公司的。
好，
大家这边请三一继续。介绍的时候可以讲一下关于产品这方面。
后面有关于产品。
好的，
稍等，
你这边可以继续。
Here's our business lessons and some certifications. Our products have passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification in quality management. The products produced by the company were evaluated by the State Ministry of Electrical Power and the China Petrochemical Group Corporation and issued a network license. These are some of our entry license and quality rating certificates.
Okay.
Our products and service include 4 sections: chemical agent production, wastewater treatment, series of agents and service, reverse osmosis water treatment, series of agents and service, circulating cooling water treatment, series of agents and service. Because we have a lot of products, the annual output of 80,000 tons. We will not give you one by one. We will mainly introduce you to sodium polycrylate today. PES particles have high purity, good water solubility, and uniform granularity. This product is highly stable, absorbent, and retains water well. It has excellent calcium chelating ability and anti-ash deposition ability. It has good pH buffering ability, which can reduce the irritation of detergents to skin. PES not only improves the performance of powder spraying slurry, improves the concentration of the slurry, saves energy consumption, but also reduces the content of fines. It has the effect of moisturizing, thickening, and adjusting the viscosity, which can be used in detergent, cosmetic, and other daily chemical industries. It can be used in detergent, cosmetic, and other daily chemical industries. These are the relevant technical specifications for PES. Regarding the packaging and storage of the product, PES granules are packed in plastic woven bags lined with polyethylene bags. Net weight per bag is 20 kilograms. Can also be determined according to user needs. Stored in a cool indoor place, the storage period is 12 months. By the way, PES is natural. Pay attention to label protection during operation. Avoid contact with skin, eyes, and rinse with plenty of water after contact. Thanks for listening.
关于介绍结束了，主持人。你那边听不到，
话筒没开。
这边可以结束讲屏幕了。
好，
好。
Everyone, do you have any question you want to ask for the Jean? And maybe you may you can type some keywords for your question in the chat. It will be better for their understanding because their English is not very fluent like you.
Oh, well, I can't speak Mandarin, so I can't say anything. I wish I could.
You can type will be better for your both of yours for the understanding.
Yes.
这边的话，我也跟买家这边说，他可以在这个就是聊天区，他会把他想要的东西会打出来，这样可能会更利于你们这边的交流。
可以。
是这样的，主持人，您能帮忙问几个问题吗？因为我们是今天才知道这个，就是我们之前了解的信息都非常的少，所以我们想知道一下这个客户他是用在具体的哪个步骤上面。就是它具体的应用场景，因为这个产品它用途非常的广，可能针对分子量、pH 值都不同。
好的，这个因为他们跟上一个供应商也沟通过，一会儿他现在在提问他的问题，他也会跟你们去聊这些。
好的。
然后他已经在评论区提了他想了解的，你们可以看一下，然后做相应的回答。
可以是任何力度。是这样，他说这个，是不是我们的描述有所不同
？SAP 咱们是 PAS。
这样，这个你等一下。
高吸水性树脂。
高吸水性，对。高吸水性的话，那我们用到的就是固体颗粒。您是制造部分中的，你可以在下面回复一下。你说您是主要用在哪些场景上这个产品？
说一下怎么写。
你那个是工作好了是吧？
对，
谁的工作好了？
你的，我的，于慧玲。
好，你放。你双击，来双击。
怎么发过去？
跟着，对。
二级材料和工业级。
你说3瓶，谢谢，但是我需要知道，谢谢。
你这边能把你的那个摄像头关掉了，你可以开一下。
关掉摄像头。
对，你的摄像头是关掉的，你开一下。
开了的。
没有，我们这边看不到你的样子，我们这边显示你是关掉了。你再点一下那个摄像头的地方。好的，开了。对。
专业处理水，我们专业处理。他问的问题是什么意思？
它用在钻井上，钻井工业中的
最上边的那些，关键钻井工业中其实就是哪个问题了？那您有具体的参数吗？您需要。这双击这样太慢了，双击。是用于泥浆的什么呢？
钻井泥浆，钻井工业泥浆吸收器。
钻工业中泥浆的吸收器，然后购收出现。这个只能在这儿。你得翻译，我跟你说。好，了解很清楚。还有 C 到 4C， 是不是可以记样本？是吗？
是，可以记样
可以的，没问题，你先说可以的，可以的。
No course。
能，对吧
？No course。
可以，我跟你讲啊，可以记。是叫样本是吗？怎么感觉不太一样呢？
当然。
是这样的，主持人，如果说我们记样本的话，接下来我们的沟通联系还是通过您这边是吗？
没有，一会儿的话，你们双方会交换那个联系方式，然后你们可以直接邮件或者是 WhatsApp 沟通。
哦，好的好的。
Bri, I just told them if they send sample for you and you will communicate with each other by email or WhatsApp. I just told her about that.
Sure. Yeah, that would
Yeah,
be fine.
Yeah, because they want to send sample for your checking.
Yes. So yeah, so I'll give you my email address.
Yes, your email address, I have put it on in the chart. You can send it again. Yeah, it's okay.
That's fine.
那个这边的话，那个 Brain 有把他的这个 email address 邮箱，然后有在这个聊天区有再附一下，你可以这边去留意一下。
好的好的。
为了方便你们后续的联系，你也可以把你们的这个邮箱然后留一下，包括你们的电话也可以留一下。
看看邮箱留了吗？
Yeah, Gloria, can you emphasize that we're looking at their second grade material that's would be considered like a waste product of their production? That's kind of what we're looking for. So it can be any size particle or any off color or yeah, really it can be compacted into pellets or however they dispose of those materials that they can't sell as first grade.
OK，这边就是买家想要再给你们强调一下，他们是找的这种2级的，就是这种生产中的2级的这个 SAP，然后这个关于颗粒的尺寸啊，包括这种 pH 值，他们这边就是没有一个硬性要求的，是都可以的。然后你们这边可以再去给他就是一个在报价的时候相应的附一下你们这边的产品的信息，你们然后包括后续的那个样品的邮寄，你们可以再去后续的沟通。Yeah, Bri, I told them that your requirement, and I told them when they send their quotation with their details of their product, and they will tell you the details when they send the sample for you, and they will contact with you via email.
Okay, that's perfect. That's
Okay.
great.
可以留下 WhatsApp 吗
什么？
？WhatsApp。
Great. I noticed that you may not use WhatsApp very usually. It will be used for your work or just email for the negotiation.
Oh yeah, so WhatsApp. Yes, so I do use that. Yes.
Okay,
So it's
okay. Because I just noted that you not use it maybe every day, so I think maybe you may miss the message when they sent you.
yes. Yeah, it's better by email, but
OK，
so there's
这
clarity.
个Brain 的话，它是有 WhatsApp 的，你也可以通过 WhatsApp 联系它，但是它的 WhatsApp 使用频率不是特别高，所以说你可能邮件还是首选。
好。
And any question from both of each other, or you will just need to communicate in the future by email.
I think that would be best. I guess we're looking at having it shipped in super sacks or those large 1,500 kilogram bags in 40-foot containers.
You mean sorry, how many quantity?
So in the shipping for the material, we like to get it in what's called super sacks. You know those huge bags. So they're like 1,500 kilograms a piece. So that's usually how we.
1,500,000 kilometer. Yeah.
Yeah, or 1,000 kilograms. But you know those giant bags.
Sorry, your signal is not very good. I can't hear you very clearly. You mean 1,500,000 kilometer, right? Kilogram, right?
Yes.
好的，它这边采购需求的话是1,500,000的千克，你这边可以换算一下。它这边我根据之前的沟通，大概是一个在40尺柜，你这后续可以跟他再确认一下。You mean Brain you will purchase for 140 container?
我们还有一些
So
问题想
yeah,
确
so
认，可以吗？
just like with our other supplier, if they have all the material that they have, but we're eventually looking for the 1,500,000 kilograms.
1,500,000 kilograms.
Yeah.
Okay. Jane still has some questions. Would like to check with you,
Sure.
and I think they will type in the chat. You need to check.
Okay.
Jane，你这边的话，如果有问题，你可以在这个评论区去就是写一下，我跟 Brian 说，他会这边会去看。
好，等一下啊。
如果你可以直接去问的话，我可以让他在这个评论区回答，这个是没有问题的。
稍等啊，我马上发过去。
好的。
问一下，使用方法是中间商。
意思是
对于我们公司，客户是自己的那种。WhatsApp。现在正在沟通。现在是晚上10点多。
好像没有别的要求。
稍等。
直接问吗？
稍等。文文在我身边。WhatsApp，我问他已经加了，但是客户说了WhatsApp用的不多，主动说要我们那个邮件沟通。
靠。
你WhatsApp跟客户打。
跟我起来了。
你问一下客户，你在评论区里问一下，你说客户平时用什么比较多？卡了，
邮箱用的多。
你打到那个页面这样给他问。正在问。
CLAII。
阿里，collaborator。
LAIRE。
这样吗？2个 I 吗？
一个 AII。
你来。
你们是想问那个就是沟通的用的什么软件是吗？
对，最常用的。
他们就是他刚才已经说了是 email， 他 WhatsApp 是可以联系，但是使用的频率不是很高。
即时沟通软件。客户加拿大那边用的即时沟通软件是什么？
这个 Outlook 还有 Teams。
就是 Teams，他已经回答了 Teams。对。
主持人，您能帮我问一下，他是生产商还是制造商吗？
生产商还是
制造商还是贸易商？
Brian, they want to check with you. Are you a manufacturer in Canada or you are a trade company?
We're manufacturers.
他们是这个生产商。
So mix a number of ingredients together to make this absorbent.
Sorry.
We mix a number of.
You are not move. You are not move.
它的主营产品是什么？
他们那个官网，他说你可以去官网看，他前面已经有做。
还没有来得及打开。
好，
你这边可以后续再去看一下。对，你们看一下这边还有没有什么问题想要再去跟他确认一下，因为我看他，因为他那边现在已经是晚上了嘛。
行，那邮件联系。好，那我们邮件联系吧。
好的，他有在，我给你们说一下他刚才提的问题，因为他刚才那边信号不是很好。
是这个吗？你问一下。
他的不是，这是那个，
那他平时用什么
Teams 的
？Outlook。
其他资讯
Outlook 是他那个邮箱，他用的邮箱是 Outlook 的。
刚刚给那个客户发了一个邮件，就确认一下我们的邮箱是不是互通的。您能让客户麻烦他看一下邮件收到了吗
Hi, Brain Jane sent you an email just now. Want to check if the email is correct. So please, may you please check it now and give their a response. Have you received the email?
等一下，你把它往这儿放。
You can't hear me? Jane，你这边能听到我吗？
能。
客户那边听不到，他可能退出去了。
刚才说了，只是现在还没有换算出来，是多少？刚才说的采购量是多少
15000。
15000，它单位是什么？
他不说的50吗？
他说的是50吧？
我听是
15。
那边客户应该是可能他那边信号不是好，因为他刚才那边已经不动了。他可能是下线了。你们这边有没有什么问题啊？或者说后续有问题的话，你们可以再去跟他邮件沟通。这个邮箱的话应该是没有问题，而且你可以爬一下，就是最开始的，我已经把他那个联系方式，包括他的公司的名称什么都放在最开始的那个地方，你可以去爬到上面去看一下，基本上是没有问题。如果说他这个邮箱你联系不到，可以再跟我们那边客服去说一下，客户来这边再去跟我 double check 一下这个邮箱地址。你们可以后续进行联系，然后你可以把你的报价，包括你们这边的能够提供的，可以给这个客户去说一下，给买家说一下。
就是后续的话，我们是可以，就是我们如果跟客户对接不上，我们是可以联系您，您这边能对接上他是吧？
我这边的话，前期的话，如果说你这边邮箱可能他没有收到的话，你可以跟我说一下，我可以帮你看一下这个邮件地址是不是有错误，但我刚才简单看了一下，应该是没有问题的。然后后续的话，你们就直接跟客户这边联系就可以了。
好的，谢谢。
好的，拜拜。
拜拜。